Hello, good peoples out there in TV land. I want to talk to you today about chemtrails. It is a problem that is plaguing us all today, and some of you probably don't even know what's going on, but it affects everything. It's way of life, basically. We breathe in the toxins, and it brings on disease. I can prove this because my cat had kittens a few months back, and I want to show you what came out of it. Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. See, look at my cat. Do you believe that? Do you believe that? Here, kitty, kitty. I can't believe that. But that's what happened. Meow. Alright, well, this is what might happen. Little buddy. See, look. Huh? What'd you say? What's your name? Anyway. Chemtrails!